everyone, and welcome back to the Frame Your World channel. I'm Leanne, the creator at Frame Your World Co. I design art prints and illustrations to inspire your world, but today I'll be sharing a bit of the behind the scenes story of my sublimation printer journey. It's been an adventure, and let's just say a learning curve. Now, I'm hoping you can't hear the noise in the background, but there's a bit of work going on outside, so I don't want to stop and delay recording this video because it's the only slot I've got. So I'm going to keep going because I will upload every Thursday and I want to stay consistent. So thank you for bearing with me. I've popped on my trusty little mic over here, so hopefully the audio is recording well, which is a first for me. If you've been following for a while, you'll know I've tried converting a EcoTank 2710 that was converted into sublimation printing, or attempted to. Didn't quite go as planned, so I wanted to chat through and share my lessons today. I'm talking about what went wrong, why I decided to switch to the Sawgrass SG500. So here's the story of the EcoTank 710. I purchased the printer and, to be honest, I didn't use it for a while. I'm not even sure if it was just the overwhelm of trying something new while juggling my day job, over designing, or just actually overthinking. Probably a mixture of all of those things, to be honest. But when I finally got round to using it, things just didn't go as planned. I couldn't get all the colours to print properly, and then I got this message that was ink pad nearing end of life. Now, if you get that, I learned through investing hundreds of pounds in this printer, spending countless hours on YouTube. This is not a good sign. After spending a few £100s into this printer and buying sublimation ink pack, I spent the next few weeks and months watching YouTube tutorials trying to fix it. I even drilled a small hole in the side of the printer and bought an ink potty. Even got a new set of inks, but again, only 3 of the inks actually came out and the black was stuck. So I decided, after all of the power cleans that I ran on this computer, all of the nozzle checks, it was time to pivot. I decided to move on, and I really wanted something more reliable, and that is when I decided to go for the Sawgrass SG500. So after all that, I knew it was time to switch gears, and that's when I decided to go for the Sawgrass SG500. Let me show you. This printer is made for sublimation, and honestly, after doing my research, I believe it's going to save me so much time and stress in the long run. Well, that's my update on my sublimation printer journey so far. I'm excited to see what this Sawgrass SG500 will do for Frame Your World. If you have ever had a DIY project that didn't go as planned, let me know below. If you've used the Sawgrass or you've got a converted inkjet, I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see full setup and printing process next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week for more creative journey updates.